Hi everyone, Belinda here from Belinda's DIYs. So for my next fall DIY, I headed out to my local Dollar Tree in search for the items that I would be needing. I did find the majority of the items that I would be needing for my project, like this right here, the craft paper roll. I also needed some vinyl paper. In case you didn't know, Dollar Tree is now carrying some. This is from the Crafter Square collection. So I went ahead and I got one roll in the color black. And now that I had the majority of my items, it was time to start working on my project. I went to my Cricut design space and created these two words, Hello Fall. I'll go ahead and put all the information down in the description box, the size and also the font I used. And then I send it off to print and cut. This is the first time that I use the vinyl paper from the Crafter Square collection, and I have to say that it weeded really easily and it just came off really nice and smooth. I had no problems except for one, and I'll share that with you in just a bit. So here is my Hello Fall words, and as you can see, it is in the color brown. I had a mishap with the black vinyl. I accidentally tore some of the letters when I was trying to apply it. And that was my one and only black vinyl from the Crafters collection. So I had to improvise and use this other brown vinyl from a different brand. The next thing that I did is I laid out my crafter paper roll as you see it right there on the table, and then I started cutting out the letters and applying the letters on my craft paper. Since I couldn't apply the letters using the transfer paper because obviously it would stick to the craft paper, I had to use this method. Of course, it was a little bit time consuming, but I think it was worth it at the end. Next, I applied the fall word. Now this one I couldn't cut since it was joined together, so I had to do my best. Now in the end, the word was slanted just a bit, but I was okay with it. I also used this 36-inch wood dowel to hang my craft paper. So I went ahead and I taped down the top edge of the paper onto my wood dowel as you see me do there. Since I want to change up the wording as per each holiday, taping it down works great. When I'm ready, all I have to do is take this one down and add a new paper with new wording. And now I'm going to create a hanger, and I'm going to be using this jute cord, and this is from Walmart. It is pretty thick, but you can also use the Dollar Tree one. And all I'm going to do is tie it on one end as you see me do there, and go over to the other end and then tie it on the other side. And now I was ready to hang my scroll. I did also have to add some tape there on the back side as you see me point there. That way my paper would stay in place. Once I hung my scroll, I noticed that the bottom edge kept rolling up, so I had to add some thumbtacks to the back edge on both sides. I also used this garland that has some greenery, and this I purchased it a long time ago, so you can use any garland that you'd like. And all I did is just drape it over the top as you see me do right there. Next, I used these pumpkins that have the little clip-ons, and these I got from Dollar Tree last year. So I had this empty wall in my dining room, and that's why I decided to hang my wall decor. And the last thing that I added was a bow, and I hung it there where the nail was at, that way it wouldn't show. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share and comment down below and let me know what you thought of this DIY. You have yourself a blessed day, and until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.